Hello and welcome to this overview video on the company screen in KS Control Cloud. The first thing you'll see when clicking on Company is the Company List view. This screen is used for both seeing a list of your suppliers and a list of your customers, and suppliers can be viewed by using the Search Suppliers toggle. And here's our list of suppliers. You'll notice that when we switch back to customers, the screen isn't populated, and this is because you could potentially have many thousands of customers. We'll put a wildcard symbol, which is the percentage sign, into the company name so we can return a list of all our customers. Although in practice you'd probably use the filters to search for specific customer records. There are other filters available by clicking on the Filters button, and any that you use on a regular basis can be pinned to the main screen. Clicking on the three dots at the end of a row will open up a summary of that row and will enable you to open the company record by clicking Go to Company. This will open up the individual customer's record, and in the case of a supplier, the record is virtually identical. The General tab shows us general information about the customer, such as their code, name, category, etc., and also an overview of their sales history with us. The Actions button allows us to perform actions with this customer, such as creating new sales orders, etc., together with some other options that are relevant to other tabs within the company record. As with most screens, going into edit mode will make the fields on this screen editable. The Financial tab is where financial information about the customer can be recorded, such as their default payment type, credit terms, etc. The Address and Contact tab, as you would expect, is where we record the customer's address and contact details. Multiple addresses can be recorded, and each address can have multiple contacts. The Customer Services tab has three sub-tabs, the first of which is Sales Orders and Invoices. This is a full audit trail of all the sales orders that a customer has placed with us, and each sales order can be opened by using the three dots at the end of the row. The screen can also be filtered by date or sales source. The Back Orders tab will show us a list of all the items this customer currently has on back order with us. In other words, items that we've sold but haven't yet been able to supply. And finally, Product Analysis will show us this customer's sales order history with us, but by product. So it's a list of all the products that the customer has ever bought from us. And this list is filterable by date, stock type or individual stock item. The CRM tab has four sub-tabs. Free Text Notes enables you to record general notes about the customer, plus customer-specific notes intended for use on various different document types, such as invoices, picking lists, etc. The Communication Log enables users to record interactions with the customer so that other users can know what's been going on. The Key Code History will record all the campaign or promotional codes that the customer has used. And the Visit Report gives a snapshot of the customer's details plus some stats on their buying history with us. The Statement tab will show us an overview of a customer's outstanding invoices, payments and allocations. It's also where we can record payments for account customers, and in the case of suppliers, where we can record our payments to our suppliers. And finally, the Structured Pricing tab will show any special prices that the customer is entitled to by virtue of special price lists that we may have allocated to them. The price list being shown on the left hand side of the screen and a summary of their special prices showing in the grid on the right. More in-depth information on how to use all of these screens can be found in our separate how-to videos. Thanks for watching.